For Elf Princess by Margaret Morales, special treatment, we start version 1 with sprinkling electric diamonds on the background. So those are mainly on the corners of the canvas and some on the sides as well. For version 2 of Elf Princess by Margaret Morales, we now add morganite crystals to the code equals sign on the canvas, except for the equals sign on her face. So this would be around her hair, in the background, and basically some areas around her neckline. And for the third version, we now add opalite crystals to the codes number 2 on the canvas. And all of these special treatments, you're not meant to replace all of the single code in these special drills. So you're meant to basically accentuate specific areas. So take a look at it like a bottle of spice or spices. You don't have to use, or you shouldn't actually use the whole bottle of spices on one dish, because you're meant to just put in a little bit here and there just to add more flavor to your dish. So this is like adding flavor to your diamond painting. So use as many or as little as you would like on those suggested areas that we've mentioned.